We have to assemble truck. Keep it up. First, we have to fill it. Truck. Pump. We did it! Let's take this old house away. Let's wash. Truck. You're doing really great. We have to assemble garbage truck. Amazing! Now we need to fill it. Garbage truck. Press the pump. Hooray! Let's get rid of the trash. Let's remove the rusting. Let's paint over the discoloration. Amazing! We did it! Build your own vehicle park. Drag a vehicle. Keep up the good work. We need to assemble drop side truck. Done! Now we need to fill it. Drop side truck. Pump. You're doing really great. Let's get the foundation and the stream ready. Now we need to wash it clean. Drop side truck. Build your own vehicle park. Don't stop. First, we need to assemble drop side truck. Ready. First, we have to fill it. Drop side truck. Pump. Keep up the good work. Let's build the machines. Let's fix the rusting. Let's paint over the discoloration. Amazing! We did it! Build your own vehicle park. Drag the vehicle onto its place. Keep it up. We need to assemble drop side truck. We did it! First, we have to fill it. Drop side truck. Pump. Keep it up. Let's build the walls. Let's wash. Drop side truck. You're doing really great. Build your own vehicle park. You're doing really great.